Okay, yung entourage po namin padating na. One from the province of Sorsogon. Kapulisan po. Ito po at aming mga tourism. Ayan, aming mga dalaga busy sa pag-feature sa aming mga guests, operators. So today we have two bus na mag-a-assist sa atin. Mukhang mas marami tayo today. So this is our third day. So tignan natin sana naman tayo makakarating. Hi guys, we're now here at Gubat! Sorsogon! So ano ang activities natin today?
Of course, meron po kayong program, malalaman niyo po yan mamaya po.
Okay,
So,
so
very
let's
exciting,
start
ma'am.
walking.
Yes.
So we're on the left. Ay, on the right pala, Maria. Ano bang nasa right natin, Maria?
Ang nasa rin namin, privately owned yan, ma'am.
Privately owned. Ito, on the left side, open. So public, is this a public place? Okay, so at front natin is, okay.
Na, of course.
Okay, so yan na. Okay, well, tapos meron din, may pabuko, may ano yan. Okay, so lakad na tayo guys, let's do this! We're now here at the heart of Buena Vista, where a new chapter unfolds. Welcome to Gubat Surfing Beach, where nature's raw beauty meets a bold vision for tourism. Today marks as well the inauguration of this vibrant tourism hub, a space designed not just for visitors, but for dreamers, adventurers, and wave chasers. Dito pa lang dinig na dinig mo na ang lakas ng waves. Step onto the striking red plank cement floor. Tignan nyo naman, bagong-bago ang flooring natin. And then, not from afar, di ba? Dinig na dinig mo na kagad yung waves. Gubat waves rise with strength and character. A true playground for surfers, seeking thrill and challenges. So, ingat lang din sa mga surfers. Alam natin, gustong-gusto nyo yung activity na yan, but still safety first. This is more than just a destination. It's a celebration of local pride, culture, and the endless beauty of Buena Vista. From the shoreline to the surf, every detail is invited to pose, feel, and experience. Look at those waves. I know in the coming days
Tanong ko
ahead,
lang,
there's
so
going
right
to be
now,
a new
nasa
story every
Nasa
day.
Gubat, Buena Vista, Gubat.
Oh, Buena Vista Gubat. So, ito yung beachfront natin, isa public place, di ba?
Yes.
So, paano yung safety mga surfers? Since this one is parang famous for surfing.
Actually po, dito ngayon sa Gubat is, ito po yung tourism hub nila. Meron po tayo dyang may registration. Or kung sa iba naman po na mga, mga, resorts. Meron po sila dyang mga trained talaga na nagbabantay.
Okay. Pero kasi public to. Meron ba tayo? Although may tourism ano tayo.
Kung may oras ang pag-swim dito, tapos kailangan naka-register.
Pero wala namang fee ng season sa public.
Mas naalam. Kasi hindi pinapayagan po yung pusong hindi talaga marunong.
So how do you take it? Anong sinasakyan?
Minibus. From Sorsogon Terminal po, sakay lang ng Gubat na minibus. Tapos,
Grab na rin sa kapila. Okay.
Dito medyo yung sabi nga yung current malakas o riptide kaya pero sa mga surfers talagang ito yung parang paradise nila ito sa buong probinsya ng Sorsogon. Ito yung isa sa mga offer ng Gubat. Then thank you sa maikling yung visit kasi sa
Message from our municipal mayor to Honorable Ronald Yulim regarding the tourism plans and strategies of Gubat.
Mabilis dapat kasi alis na kayo, di ba? Kasi may masarap na lunch sa Bulusan. So welcome po si kay Asek. Maraming pong salamat na punta kayo dito. Sana marami pong taga-DOT ang makapunta. Kay Director Aguas, palagi na punta dito. Sa aming kay Vice Mayor Calios and the members of the council. Welcome po at marami pong salamat sa pagpunta po ninyo. Vista. So, quick geographical kwan lang. Ito po tayo ay nasa Barangay Buena Vista. So, ito pong beach sa Buena Vista, ito po yung malalaking waves. So, ito po yung surfing.
Guys, we're inviting everyone to visit the Buena Vista Surfing Resorts here in
Gubat, Sorsogon!
Okay guys, do visit Buena Vista Gubat Surf Area. I believe you will love it here. It's actually snack time here, and thank you Buena Vista Gubat Sorsogon for my snack and for my buko.